How's everything with you? I hope everything is alright. Today's letter is Thāʼ. Thāʼ. The sound is the same as TH in English. And as for the shape, here it is. It looks like ba and ta. The difference is the dots. Tha has 3 dots. 3. Now it's time for a pen and paper. Grab them and let's write Tha. We start from the right side and draw a small vertical line down. Then do a longer line across and another small vertical line up. The 3 dots go above the letter. In the middle, a small vertical line down, a longer line across, and another small vertical line up. Then the dots. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to draw it. It has 3 dots. The sound is Please pronounce the sound as you draw it. When Thāʼ comes at the beginning of a word, it loses its left vertical line to provide a connecting segment for the following letter. You draw it the same way as in the isolated form. You only stop before drawing the left vertical line and add the dots closer to the right vertical line. When Thāʼ comes in the middle of a word, it has 2 connecting segments. One coming from the previous letter and the other leading to the following letter. We start from the connecting segment, go up for the vertical line, then down and across. The 3 dots go above the vertical line. From the connecting segment, up, bend down, then across. At the end of a word, Thāʼ also starts from a connecting segment, but this time it preserves its complete shape to close the word. We start from the connecting segment, go up and down, then across to go up again for the left vertical line. From the connecting segment, up and down, then across and up again to close the word. Let's see some examples to check these different positions. In initial position, Thāʼ loses its left vertical line, and the dots move closer to the right side. In a medial position, it also loses its left vertical line to get easily linked to the following letter. In addition to a connecting segment coming from the previous letter, the dots move closer to the right vertical line. In the final position, the dots keep their original place in the middle, because Thāʼ preserves its full shape, in addition to a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. If Thāʼ comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment, it stands alone, taking the isolated form, like this example. Thāʼ follows the examples of its siblings, Bā and Thāʼ. It may take 4 forms, depending on its position. There is the initial position, the medial, final, and the isolated form when preceded by a non-connecting letter. Please practice writing these 4 forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of the letter as you draw it.